Hey guys, Ryan Wilson here from Predator. So I've got a really cool update on our D-Ring Brush Guard. This is hands down the most popular brush guard for H1 Hummers and Humvees out there. So this is our D-Ring Brush Guard. It is full brush guard that wraps up and over the hood. It pivots down here. It's got the hood pins up here. Multiple different connection points as far as a weld-on fitting, or you can upgrade to our heavy-duty airlift hooks here and drill a hole through the center of the airlift hook and put the pin in there, which is really clean to design. But this is our Generation 2. So the Generation 2 is just wrapped up in full production now. It's offered two ways. This is our standard version. We also have our fully TIG welded version 2. That'll be on the website as well. But the Generation 2 has a couple subtle changes, but they're significant changes. First and foremost, we raised the height of this bar going across here, and it allows us to put the LP9s in there. Very popular light right now. The previous D-Ring Brush Guard was just about touching the LP9s. This is increased height here. It also has a much larger diameter tube up here. So we went with the full 1.75" tube instead of the 1.5". Big difference. It just fits the overall design a lot better. It just fits apart now. The prior design was 1.5" up here, just looks a little bit weaker, and it is. So this is a lot stronger, a lot bigger. You put these brush guards side by side, it's a big difference when you compare them. Now, they are subtle changes, but they are significant. And probably my favorite upgrade is down here. So check this out. We have a custom engraved American flag right there, and just a very subtle little Easter egg just fitting for an end cap. So we engraved that right over there on our CNC mill, and it comes out and we weld it on, sand it, smooth it out, and for a perfect fit and finish on both sides of it. So you can see it, it's very subtle, but when you do open up the D-Ring Brush Guard, it does pop up and it's a prominent American flag, which is pretty sick. So a couple changes there. Another change that we did is, so we have a whole new jig for this. Extremely precise jig. It allows us to do a full TIG welded version. So the difference between MIG and TIG, MIG has a little bit larger weld. So if you take a look at this, you can see the MIG weld on there. Very clean, really no issues at all. Here's another MIG weld across here. Difference is you go to a TIG weld, very precise, very tight, and actually we have one right over here. Come over here, check this out. So here is our TIG welded version. And see, you can really just barely see the welds on there. Very, very precise. It still has the upgraded upper bars as well as the raised bar here for the LP9s. This truck is gonna get LP9s here shortly. And then it has our American flag on the side end caps. But the difference is everything on this brush guard is a lot more precise. The fitment of all the tubes has to be exact so that we can TIG weld it, because that weld is a lot smaller. So much more precise TIG welding process here. It is a fair bit more expensive, but that is available if you're interested in it as an upgrade. So thanks for watching. See you guys soon.